Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari ulai kuble ki pajba ha kabayade bat ke jingyat be ya renti jong ke sngi nyobot ke balak long ha ke sngi baar. Ulai tu bah ke nega sngi nyobot kamshim ladon ke no ke jingja ke bas nyosi bat ke jing nyobot ke long ke bas seso ling ba ke jing lang jong ki pajba. Nakaliang CEO ulai tu ru sepang ke jing nyobot ki kertong ha ke nega sngi nyobot.
The counting for Silang ST Parliamentary Constituency and Tura ST Parliamentary Constituency in the state of Meghalaya already completed and results already have been declared. In Silang PC, Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan, candidate of Voice of People Party, has secured 5,71,078 votes, and the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Vincent H. Pala, who secured 1,99,168 votes, and Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan has won the Silang Parliamentary Constituency with a margin of 3,71,910 votes. Other candidates, Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo from National People's Party has secured 1,86,488 votes. Sri Robert June Kharjana from United Democratic Party has secured 44,563 votes. Professor Lakhan Kama, independent candidate, who secured 18,582 votes, and Sri Peter Salam, independent, he secured 7,024 votes. Altogether, there are 11,008 votes has gone for the none of the above or nota. Total rejected votes are 646. So, certificate has already been given by the returning officer Silang to the winning candidate. Similarly, in Tura Parliamentary Constituency, Sri Saleng A. Sangma from Indian National Congress has secured 3,83,919 votes. Srimati Agatha K. Sangma from National People's Party has secured 2,28,678 votes. Sri Jenithiam Sangma, All India Trinamool Congress candidate, he secured 48,709 votes, and Sri Laben C.H. Marak, independent, has secured 6,910 votes. Total 5,840 votes has gone for none of the above, and total 603 votes are rejected. So, in the Tura Parliamentary Constituency, the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Saleng A. Sangma, has defeated the National People's Party's candidate, Srimati Agatha K. Sangma, by a margin of 1,55,241 votes. Entire voting process and very peacefully, and there was no incident of repoll anywhere, no poll violence anywhere reported, and entire process has gone very smoothly. So I would like to really convey my sincere thanks to the people of the state for casting their vote very freely and very largely they have participated in this function of the democracy. So total the state has 76.6% voters had used their franchise to vote, and PC wise it was 73.78% in Silang parliamentary constituency and 81.37% in Tura parliament constituency. So the overall voting was highest ever in the any parliamentary election in the state. So I would like to simultaneously appreciate and convey my sincere thanks to the entire election machinery in the state who did their very tireless effort to make this moment very successful, and entire election process has went very well. So moreover, the people, the way they have behaved and supported to strengthen the democracy in the state, it is really appreciable. So I would like to similarly thanks to the police personnel, CAPF and media personnel also for their always support and communicate, especially to the media person for the communicating the right messages and raising the concern of the people to strengthen the democracy in the state. So this is really a proud moment, and once again I would like to thank each and one for their tireless effort making these elections very successful. Thank you so much.